Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. 7 SAPS officers arrested by JMPD Tactical Reaction Unit for extortion and kidnapping. Ilo daba engifuna sizixoxe namuhla ukuthi kuboshwa amaphoyisa awu7. Asibuyele emumva kancane for einsukwini ezedlule ngenze amavideo amabili aphe besikhuluma khona ngempi ekhona phakathi kweSAPS kanye neJMPD TRU unit. Sizokhumbula ukuthi ngolwesihlanu iJMPD ithole information ukuthi kunemoto eyebiwe. Yayisigasela khona lapho kuleso sigameko leso ngoba ithi yothola leyo moto yobheka lelo daba lwemoto. Uma ifika lapha yathothi kuvaliwe banokho abangathola umuntu base bengena ngaphakathi. Bathe bese busy nemoto. Imoto oqala bene number plate ase Free State ingenamthelo. Ngoba bebethi bafuna uconfirm even number ukuze babone kwenzakalani kodwa wathothi konke lokho bathe bese busy nje nalokho kwavele kwafika iSAPS mayifika yabopha lama members noma bethi bayazama ukuchaza wathotha izwile kodwa okuvelile ukuthi le moto noma leligceke ekuyo le moto leli ownwa iKingpin abozamazama. Ngasho futhi kwivideo ngathi amaphoyisa mina ngake ngawabona mina personal ezokoleka futhi akoleka everyday namhlanje asakoleka everyday kozamazama. Imagine kuma bekoleka kulabantu abangena emgodini uma kuthiwa sekutholakala uKingpin uyena onemali eningi kwedlula laba abangena emgodini. Angisoli mina uma kuthiwa amaphoyisa afike abopha amaphoyisa amanye yasala imoto kanjalo ngoba lo yamuntu lo senethuba lokuthi akayiqhelise imoto lapha emzini wakhe ngoba uyabona ukuthi imntonsela amanzi ngomsela. UDr Mgcini Ntshwako usihlabile kakhulu lesenzo samaphoyisa waze wathi ufonele ngisho uProvincial Commissioner okuGeneral Thomi Mthombeni ukuze amazise ngalesigameko ukuthi akangenelele ngoba iSAPS fana ngabe iyasebenzana neJMPD ukuze balwe nobugebengu bakuliwe necrime. Bekufuna laba mabefika bethola ukuthi amaphoyisa beza ukuthi beze ngani bese benza ukuthi lo msebenzi ube impumelelo kuliwe nobugebengu. Aphumileke lawo ma-members ngebail. Izolo yona iJMPD iwabambile amaphoyisa. Ibamba amaphoyisa ukuthi ayingxenye yobugebengu obenzakala ikakhulukazi kwizamazama. Sizofunda ke le article emveni kwalapho bese sidlulela phambili. Bangifisa sikhulume ngokhansela wakaMabasa konje banigama lakhe lo we-IFP we-MMC we-Human Settlement noma Informal Settlement angazi kahle kodwa lapho nje ngifuna sikhulume ngaye. Kunomsebenzi omuhla wenze ngapha eDenver. KuseDenver kuseDenver kunomsebenzi omuhla wenze ngapha eDenver angeke ngikwazi ukungakhulumi ngawo.
Phela ngeke lifihle tipili bona ngintilo no. I didn't take the pictures of the car. Take everything. I'll get the phone. Oh, yeah. I saw you. So when are you starting? Starting where? Champion.
The members were here at the Poisons police station. The members of the TRU, the Tactical Reaction Unit, JMPD, intercepted a police vehicle that was carrying unrefined gold. They were on their way to sell it in Johannesburg. This is Bob's car from the West Rand area. So it was intercepted here as it enters the Johannesburg. So the TRU got a tip-off that this certain vehicle is carrying unrefined gold that is here. So we've 7 police officers have been detained. The subs, and we've confiscated their guns. They are being actually processed now at the QT office here at the Poisons police station. This is a developing story.
Bona Nhlabathi isemotweni yamaphoyisa ibizotransportwa amaphoyisa iye lafuneka iya khona njengoba uzibonela nje nawe. Akukho-ke ngisazokuphawula athi sifunde nanto udaba lakhona. The Johannesburg Metro Police Department, JMPD, Tactical Reaction Unit has arrested 7 South African Police Services officers on charges of extortion and kidnapping following an incident involving an illegal miner, commonly referred to as Zamazama, in possession of material used to refine gold. The incident unfolded when the SAPS officers allegedly demanded 5,000 from the Zamazama, later escalated their demands to 30,000 rand. The officers are said to have transported the individual to a loaning facility to secure the payment. While awaiting the funds, the JMPD TRU intervened, apprehended the officers on the scene. The Zamazama is currently providing a statement to authorities. The arrested officers are being detained at Boysen Police Station, where a case of extortion and kidnapping has been opened. The JMPD remain committed to upholding the rule of law and rooting out corruption. Investigations are ongoing, and further details will be provided as they become available. Engeke ngakusho lokho ngiyakuphinda manje, abukho ubugebengu obungenzeka uma amaphoyisa engeke singxenye yawo. Abukho ubugebengu obungenzeka beyimpumelelo uma amaphoyisa ngesingxenye yawo. Kodwa ukuze ubugebengu buqhubeke kahle, ngisho ama-drugs, abantu abathengisa ama-drugs ayafika amaphoyisa azothatha okweshumi lapha kuwo. Kusemthethweni, into eyaziwayo. Ngisho umuntu ongena license odrive emgwaqweni kufuneka alungise u20 rand. Ngizama ukukuvezela nje ukuthi zikhona izinto ezingeke zenzeke ezenzeka ngoba amaphoyisa asuke ingxenye yazo, kodwa amaphoyisa mangathiwa amelene nalezo zinto ngeke zize zenzeke. Asidlulele phambili sicaphune nanto udaba.
Sathola ukuthi imkhukhu eminingi elana kunama operations illegal ayenzakalayo, kunozamazama abasebenza lana, kunezitolo eziphethwe abantu bekufika engekho emthethweni lana. Ngakho ke namhlanje sifikile ngoba sizodemolisha, sizobhidiza wonke lo mkhukhu leyo le esebenza abantu ngokudala bela nama business angekho emthethweni.
Sechazile uMMC. Asidlule phambili ngicaphunele enye ivideo ngoba angifuni ngilokukhuluma kakhulu mina. Funa nje ngikukhombise umsebenzi awenzayo. Kodwa liyahambelana lo daba lo lwenzeka lapha eDenver nalo lesilibika la. Ngoba ozamazama, futhi ozamazama bayikhonzile imikhukhu. Bayarenta bona emalokishini bese behlala emkhukhwini for le insuku lezi abazihlala khona. Angifuni ngichaze into eziningi. Ngake ngahlala kweminye imkhukhu ngapha eJimmiston okuthiwa kaMakawusi. Manje ngiyazi kahle nje le ndaba yozamazama. Ngangumakhelwane wayo, ngiyibukele eduze abanye behlala eJardini la ngangihlala khona. Ngiyayazi ne-operation yakhona ukuthi iphuma enhlabathi, iphuma lapha emgodini iye kuphi, kwenziweni kanjani. Ngifike ngayibuka kahle yonke lento, ngabuka nama-security, futhi ngakubona ne-role edlalwa amaphoyisa. Ngoba lapha kuphathwa ibhamu, buye kudutshulwane la. So kuneqhaza elikhulu edlalwa ngamaphoyisa, futhi ngeke uyenze le nto ibe impumelelo amaphoyisa ngesingxenye yayo. Angeke uzuyenze. So ngiyazi kahle lento le ngikhuluma ngayo. Ngoba ngake ngayibonela eduze, kodwa ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo manje.
So those are the things that we need to deal with so that our residents are able to access services without any hindrances. There is a block of sheds that are being utilized for illegal mining, and all of them, they've got holes. it's even dangerous for the team to demolish these sheds because all of them, they've got holes. So we need to demolish them so that we close these holes for the team to get into the space and work. And the reason we don't communicate this operation is because they advise these people prior. By the time we get into the informal settlement, they would have feared everything in the space and they would have left. Those that were with us in the morning when we arrived, we would have seen that the sheds were locked and people were running, and we tried to chase after them, but we couldn't find them because they went on and they went to hide on those illegal holes that they are using for the illegal mining.
Wazwile ama-South Africans. Ngiyajabula uma wazwile ama-South Africans. Esho ukuthi labantu banabantwana kuthiwa balalephi. Funeka bacatshangela. How about into enzakalayo ubugebengu? Angeke bayikhulume. Njengoba babona labo mama be-frustrated la, besho khona bayajwayeleka nalo bhuti othi Fuseko thuka abantu. Abanye abakhaleli khona ukuthi lento yenziwa labantu ukuhlukumeza abantu ngoba bengenanda ukulala ingoba labo zamazama barenta kubo. Ozamazama barenta kubo. Athi ngichazela ibusiness elifika nje ngokuba khona kwale ngozamazama kuthiwa illegal mining. Ibusiness nje suka izoba khona. Uma kufika abantu abangozamazama bemba la bengena emgodini la. Imkhukhu eseduze la noma imkhukhu iyanda lapho ngoba bazofuneka baqashe khona la iduze. Baqashela ukuthi bona bekwazi ukuthola indawo yokulala uma bephumile emgodini ngoba bangena izinsuku baphume nalo nhlabathi asuke bephume nayo. Bese kuba isigaba sesibili lapho khona kubekwa lezi zinto eziyimshini engathi ibhodlela lekhasi lezi eziphendukayo ezibanga umsindo abazibiza ngamaphenduko ezirandiswa igenerator. Kube leso sigaba sesibili. Isigaba sesithathu kuzoba abantu abaphekayo ngoba funa labantu abayemgodini mabephuma lapha bathola ukudla ngoba khona abaphuma insuku zonke babanye besele emgodini laba bazi ukuyobathengela ugwayi bathenga ukudla bathenga yonke into notshwala nento ezinjalo. So ibusiness nje fika kukhona abantu asebezothengisa ukudla. Ngithe abantu bala eSouth Africa bazobenefit ukuthi labantu bazorenta kubo. Iningi labo labantu abangena emgodini abako Zimbabwe Lesotho bazorenta la kubo amajardini wabo. Okwesibili ibusiness eseyizoba khona manje yabantu abazopheka ukudla bathengise. Eyesithathu ibusiness ezizoba khona abantu abazothengisa utshwala nensango. Ibalekile lezi zinto ngoba labantu abangena emgodini lapha badinga ukuthi ingqondo yabo bathi kuyidunga kancane. So kune business esithathu sizovuka abantu abazothengisa utshwala nensango. Bese kuba khona umuntu ozothengisa amasaka. Kube khona umuntu ozothengisa amathoshi kanye nama-battery ngoba kudingeka amathoshi kumnyama lapha emgodini. Ngisabale lezo zinto lezo nje ezimbalwa. Bese kuba ama-shop. Ishop esuka iseduze nozamazama iyagcwala. Funa nawe uma shop endaweni leno zamazama wenze sure ukuthi unestock enough ngoba abantu bancane ufika bathenga amalofa u4, bathenga ama-2 liter u3, bathenga ugwayi 20 yonke ama-20 u2 ngoba basuke bazi ukuthi bazohamba izinsuku. So kunabantu abahlomulayo ngokuba khona nje kwale business abantu base South Africa bayahlomula. Yingakho ke mangabe kuthiwa no asikhiphe labantu laba lento abayenzayo is illegal. Kukhona abantu abazoma bethi no nihlukumeza abantu siyajwayeleka abalwi ngoba balwa ngoba bavikela interest yabo. Ngiyathemba uyayizwa lento engichazayo. Bese namaphoyisa ke insuku zonke labantu abathengisa utshwala la kunemali efuna abayikhiphe emaphoyiseni. Labantu abaphekayo kunemali abayikhipha emaphoyiseni nakuma security ngoba ama security wezamazama protection fee in a way. Akukho umuntu ozokuhlukumeza ngisho zamazama bekolodile uyakwazi ukusho ukuthi lo zamazama uthathe uboleke uthathe ukudla ngesikweletu akasafuni ukukhokha bakwazi ukumdiscipline akhokhe uyazi naye. So kunemali eyenzekayo, abantu bomphakathi bayabenefita. Yingakho bekhona ozamazama, ubona abantu abangamalungu omphakathi bengayireport indaba ukuthi hey, naba abantu benza izinto ezingekho emthethweni, ingoba bayabenefita. Ngithe ngiyazi kahle lento, ngake ngayibukela eduze. Ngihlale khona I think about 3 years. Ngiyibuka nje lento. Ngivuka ekuseni ngiye emsebenzini, ngiyibuka ngibuye emsebenzini, kwaba wese sengingasasebenzi. Phelile umsebenzi ngihlala nsuku zonke, ngiphume ngiyibuke kahle, ngingenzela ukuyi-understand ukuthi ihamba kanjani. Angiyibambe le video, ngingachazi into eyiningi. Kodwa bengizama ukukuvezela nje ukuthi mawubona abantu base-South Africa belwela labantu, yingoba beside ukuthi sebeze baney'ngane nabo, yazi-ke iningi labesifazane lifuna imali, alinendaba ukuthi umuntu unjani. Labantu bangababona uphume umbala wenhlabathi, bavele balale nje enhlabathini, abanayo inkinga. Kodwa baney'ntombi ezinhle, baney'ntombi engeke zezingiqome nje nami, ngenxa-ke yokuthi baphatha imali. Bayayiphatha-ke imali ozamazama, uma beyothenga emakuleni bekhipha ama-200, uvele ubone ukuthi labantu laba. Asiyibambe le video, kodwa bengizama ngale nto bengizama ukuchaza ukuthi kungani ubona abantu base-South Africa belwa. Abalwi ngoba balwa ngoba bevikela i-interest yabo. Labantu ama-tenant wabo, baqashe emzini yabo. Yingakho imikhukhu ingeke iziphele. Endaweni le nemkhukhu angeke iziphele. Kunebhizinisi eningi kabi lapha eyenzeka emkhukhwini. Mina nawe asidibane kwivideo elandelayo.